Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's a pleasure for me to be here, and I'd like to thank the CBA for giving us the opportunity to be here. I've been in the industry for 3 weeks only. The company I work for has been in this business for more than 100 years, and it's clear that during all this time, this company has gathered a lot of knowledge and expertise, so all the one that I don't have yet, but I promise I will someday. It's a fourth. I'll give you an overview of the company and also of the range of products that we are manufacturing, the machinery we are manufacturing. And I'm going to be short, since I know that you are not that much interested in clay preparation. You're more interested in kilns, maybe, although it's as much as important as that. As I told you, it's a fourth generation business, family business, and we've supplied thousands of machines all around the world in 5 different continents, and as I said, with an excellent know-how. We are based in Barcelona, in Spain, and we are around 100 people in the company. Our main office, as I said, and our main premises are in Spain, but we do have a factory in Brazil, and recently we opened up another factory in India. Those are just to source those local markets, and from Spain we are sourcing all the other markets. One could say that Verdes is a worldwide supplier that offers a complete range of solutions for dry and wet processes. And we're trying to offer the most suitable solution for each type of clay, depending on each different market, and starting from mine up to shaping lines. We are not only supplying machinery, but of course we're supplying original spare parts, and we're giving technical support, training and clay analysis in our own laboratory, and then of course we can supply different services to you and to achieve our customer satisfaction. We are involved in different industries involving crushing, grinding, dosing, storing, mixing and shaping, and not only in the ceramics structural industry, but also with non-ferrous minerals, also in the mining industry, and also in the recycling industry. We've got 4 different subsidiaries in Algeria, Morocco, Portugal, and Russia. And as I said, factories in Brazil, India, and Spain. And I'll give you some references about the projects that we've done. Of course, our main market is Spain, but we've been active, as we said, in different continents, in Algeria, in Morocco, and in Tunisia, also in Malaysia, Australia, Russia, of course, and different countries around the world. This was a short introduction of our company, and I'll introduce you to the different machineries that we've got, starting from storing and dosing. We do supply openers, stackers, and box feeders. Proportioning, of course, different options. In primary crushing, we are specialized in crushed clay, not only in ceramics, but also in metallic raw materials, capable to handle large size of incoming material lamps. In dry grinding, we've got hammer mills and pendulum mills, obtaining particle sizes under 500 micron. And on the other side, on semi-wet grinding, we manufacture disintegrators and wet pan mills. with different production capabilities. Going on to grinding, we've got different models. This is one of the last ones, the optimal roller mill that achieves a precision lower than 0.01 millimeter. And some of the characteristics of this new machine are the high hardness leanings that it has, the ease of roller shields replacement, also maintenance tasks and operative costs. We are offering 3 different types of machines, what we call B, H and R, depending on the working pressure and also on the type of adjustments of the cylinders. It might be mechanical or electro-hydraulic. Going into mixing, as you see there, different types of machinery, double shaft mixers, extruder mixers and filter mixers, together with circular clay feeders. Bridge reclaimers and also on the track reclaimers that are giving us different options depending on the shape that we have. And finally, in terms of extruding and shaping, we've got the monoblock extruders, what we call the combi extruders, with independent gear reducers and motors, and the last extruders that we've introduced, what we call the magnet extruders, minimizing maintenance tasks and reducing the operation costs. And some of the features that they have are the ones that you can see here, and with a big efficiency in mixing and extrusion as the main advantage. They are available in 2 configurations, long or short, and I would stress the attention on the different characteristics like the adjustable mixing knives, the knife-on-knife effect, and the design of the mixers that reduce the power to consumption into up to 5%. Different types of augers, cylindrical, conical or extra conical, and an easy opening system for maintenance and parts replacement. And finally, we are also supplying laboratory equipment with a complete range available. Disintegrators, roller mills, extruders, semi-continuous mixers and hammer mills. Thank you.